Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 11 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications and extend the list of toggles, and in here you will find a screen recording toggle. For me it is right over here, pretty visible right off the bat. So once you see this, you can tap on it to start recording it or hold it, and this will take you to the settings. Now in the settings you can obviously check out how it's set by default. If something doesn't fit your needs, you can obviously change it. Quickly going over the default settings right here, we have quality of the recording. It's pretty low. I would recommend changing it to high at least. Well, basically it's the highest one. Maybe, nope. Okay, so yeah, high will be pretty good. Obviously it will give you a 1080p resolution instead of the 720p. I don't recommend recording at 720p. On a bigger displays this will look absolutely tragic, so stick with 1080p. Then we have frame rates. We have set it to dynamic, though I would probably recommend to just copying it at 60. And then we have additional toggles. For format of the recording, we have also record front camera, so this will just add a selfie camera on the recording. If you want that, obviously enable it. If you don't, keep it off. And we have record microphone sounds, so you can select microphone and system sound, so you'll be recording both of the sounds. Now if you're planning to use both of them, I would recommend using some kind of headset, headphones or anything like that, because otherwise the microphone will be picking up the sound of the device that is coming out through the speakers and record it twice, which will create this kind of unwanted echo effect. Obviously, if you're only recording one of those, either a microphone or the system sound, then actually I'll say you don't have to worry. But still, if you don't record system sound and you want to record only mic, if some sound is coming from your speakers, like I said, a microphone will still pick it up. It won't create an echo effect, but it will still record probably some of the system sounds. So if you don't want that, you need to mute your device. Anyway, we can close this, and now whenever we want to record, we can just simply tap on a toggle. It will require a couple permissions. It requires some kind of permission to send notifications. I'm not going to allow that one because it literally doesn't need to give me notifications. Screen recording to make and manage calls. Now I believe this is kind of misguiding info what it needs. I believe, I thought, could be wrong, it wants access to like manage phone calls and stuff like that because it uses microphones, and it just kind of classifies this as a phone call. So we're gonna allow this. Now if you're not planning to use microphone, I think you can just not agree to it and it should still work, though obviously I might be incorrect about that one. Anyway, from here we can just click on this little red circle, start recording. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna mute the mic as well, I just don't want to hear myself. So yeah, there we go. As you can see, it's recording right now. There's also this semi-transparent gray dot following my finger to indicate on the recording where I was pressing the display. Now, once you're done recording, you can interact with the overlay and select the check mark, and this will automatically save the recording to your Photos application. I'll open it up just so I can show you where you can locate the actual recording. So right off the bat, it will be visible under the newest entry right here in your album, but you can obviously, or in your photos, but you can navigate to albums, and in albums you will have screenshots, and it's under screenshots. Also you can find it under videos as well, as you can see right over here, but probably screenshots will be a little bit easier. And in here, if you click on it, obviously you can view it. So there we go, that's the screen recording. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.